When designing fractionation and stripping columns, Alfa Laval solutions offer huge possibilities to improve the separation efficiency. But way too often we see that process engineers designing these processes uses old rule of thumbs that are based on the limitation of conventional technologies. To really optimize your condensing duties, you need to use the most efficient solutions available in the market. And that's where Alfa Laval can help. Work with us in the early stage of the process design, and we can help you to improve the product yield and quality, while offering at the same time solutions that will minimize the cost of equipment, as well as utility systems, and minimizing the production of off-gas from your fractionation column. For example, many engineers are surprised to see that it is possible to cool and condense vapors closer to the supply temperature of the cooling media. For an American refinery that was investing in a new alkylation unit, by doing so, we managed to reduce the compressor needs so that we could reduce the cost of the refrigerant compressor of up to $1.5 million. The closer temperature approach to the cooling media also means that we can cool and condense more vapor. For a European refinery investing in a new hydrocracker unit, we helped their process licensor to do just that. With a better condensation solution, we could increase the liquid yield with 7% while reducing the off-gas production with 30%. For refinery, of course, it means increased yield of naphtha, but also a reduced investment cost in the off-gas compressor and in the downstream gas treatment system. By minimizing the pressure drop in the condenser, we can also help you to condense your vapor at a lower pressure and temperature, something which means you can reduce the pressure in the flash zone of your column. For a Spanish refinery doing this, it gave them two advantages. First, of course, it meant that they could reduce energy consumption in the furnace, but they could also improve the split between naphtha and kerosene, increasing the yield and the quality of these two products. Rethinking your condenser design by optimizing the return temperature of the cooling water also means that we can minimize the cooling water consumption. For another refinery, that meant that we could actually cut the cooling water consumption in their condenser with more than 50%. So, trading old rule of thumbs for Alfa Laval condensation solutions will help you to reduce cost and improve efficiency of your processes. But that's not all. It also makes it possible to recover much more of low-grade energy that otherwise would have been wasted. Are you ready to learn more? Visit us online to read more about these cases or other cases that we have implemented in other refineries. Or contact us already today if you want to work together with us to make sure we will deliver the most efficient solutions for you and your refinery.